Hi guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. In today's episode, we teamed up with the guys from Everleaf and we're using their Mountain edition, which is a very nice and tasty non-alcoholic spirit, and it's a delicious, refreshing spritz. So enjoy the video and see you soon.
Hi guys, it's Kay at TT Liquor once again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really lovely summer spritz using some of this beautiful Everleaf Mountain, which is a really nice non-alcoholic aperitif, and this is their Mountain Spritz, which is the ideal way to drink this on a nice summer's day. Now this is a really simple drink. We're going to be making it in the glass we serve it in, which is going to be a nice big wine glass. And the first thing I need, of course, is some of my Everleaf Mountain, and I want 50 mils or a double shot of this Everleaf. And now I'm going to fill my glass up with some cubed ice. And to turn this into a spritz, I'm just going to top it with some nice tonic water. So I've got some tonic here. Crack that open and just use that to top up my glass. We want roughly about 3 parts tonic to 1 part of our Everleaf. I'm just going to grab my spoon and use that to give this a very quick stir. I'm going to top this with a little bit of extra ice, and then for a garnish we're just going to add some lovely slices of strawberry. So I've sliced a strawberry up already, and I'll pop a few of those just in the top, and that is our Mountain Spritz ready to drink.